Hey guys, I am going to show you how to connect two laptops via Ethernet cable. I have UTB unshielded twisted pair cable. You can see here this is RG45 and two laptops, and I am going to connect these two laptops with Ethernet cable, and I am going to show you how to make a network of two laptops. Let's get started. Then put in the next machine. Here you can see our network is being established. I am going to show you. This is my machine, system 2. There is no network. Why? And you can see here Dell Edison and HP Shazar. Our connection is established. Thank you guys. Now, in the first machine or laptop, your setting must be as similar as I am doing. Right click on network, then properties, then go to change adapter settings. Here you see that our Ethernet is disabled. Right click on this icon and make it enable. After doing this, it is enabled. You can see that, and network cable unplugged. It means that you must put network Ethernet cable into port and then close it. It is identifying, as you can see. Then change advanced sharing settings. Go to private, then turn on network discovery. Then turn on file and printer sharing. Then go to guest or public, turn on network discovery, turn on file and printer sharing. Then go to all networks, turn on sharing, so any first option. Then use 128-bit. Then you must select turn off password protected sharing. Save changes. It may take a minute, and you can see this is identifying. And the next step is Ethernet. Click on it and go to properties. Here you see Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IP version 4. Click on it and go to properties. Use the following IP addresses right here: 192.168.1, then 1. After this, automatically it will fetch subnet mask, and default gate make it 2. Then use the following DNS server right here: 8, then 8, then 8, and finally 8. Then OK. System 1 setting is almost done, and I am going to show you the settings of system 2 or laptop 2. Close it. I want to also show you how to share a folder. Here, right click on a folder, then properties, then sharing, share this folder. Then right click on this drop down arrow and click on everyone, add it, then give it permission as read and write, then share. The folder is shared, and I am going to show you in the settings of laptop 2. OK. Now I am in system 2. You can see this, and double click on network. Network discovery is turned off. I am going to set up all settings for network establishment. Right click on it, go to properties, or you can double click on control panel, then network and internet, then network and sharing center, change adapter settings. Here you see Ethernet is also disabled here, then enable it and go to properties. Here you see Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IP version 4. Go to properties, then use the following IP addresses. Right here 192.168, then 1, right here 2, then right here 1, because your settings of system 1 was 192.168.1.2 IP address was this, and default gateway was 192.168.1.1, and make this vice versa. If system 1 setting has here 1, put it 2. All is done, and right here 8, 8, 8, and finally 8. OK, then close it, then go back, then change advanced sharing settings, turn on network discovery and turn on file and sharing. Then go to all networks, turn on sharing to anyone, then use 128-bit, and finally turn off password protected. Save changes and go to Ethernet, and you can see the connection of network of two laptop is being established, and sent bits bytes and received bytes, as you can see, are going upward. Then go to properties, close it, and finally go to your networks. Here you see Dell Archer, which is my system. Refresh it. Now you must share the folder you want to share with anyone, then give access to specific people, then go to drop down menu, everyone, edit, read and write permission, share it. All is done, and now in network folder, refresh it. Finally you can see here HP Shazad, which is system 1, and also here networking. My system 2 is Dell Arshad, then HP Shazad, which is system 1, and I am opening it. Then this is my data of system 2, and I am going to show you how to share a folder from my system 2. Right click on it, I am going to share this folder NAS, then give access to specific people, then everyone, edit, then give permission to read, write, share. All is done. Here you see NAS is already here, and I am going to share web engineering, which is not here. So finally give access to specific people, then add here everyone, then give permission as read, write simultaneously, share it, and done. Refresh it. Here you see web engineering. and here I am. So finally we had a network connection between two laptops via Ethernet cable, and finally I am going to show you how to transfer data between two laptops using Ethernet cable. Here my final folder, I am going to copy it, then copy, then I am going to copy in HB Shazad laptop, then go to network, HB Shazad users, then chassis, which is username of system1, and on the desktop just paste it. What is the data rate? Only KB. This must be in MBs, megabits per second, but speed is very slow, very poor connection. Finally the folder is copied, and in system1 on the desktop final. So guys, in this video you learned about how to make connection between two laptops via Ethernet cable. So all is done. You can try it, you can practice it, and make our network as your own. And finally guys, please subscribe our channel, like and to comment, and give support to us. Thank you. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.